Hello everybody, it's Caafimaad here. This video is about appendicitis. We will study its signs and symptoms, causes and preventions. Appendicitis is an inflammation of the appendix, a finger-shaped pouch that projects from your colon on the lower right side of your abdomen. Appendicitis causes pain in your lower right abdomen. However, in most people, pain begins around the navel and then moves. As inflammation worsens, appendicitis pain typically increases and eventually becomes severe. Although anyone can develop appendicitis, most often it occurs in people between the ages of 10 and 30. A standard treatment is surgical removal of the appendix. Here we will understand signs and symptoms of appendicitis. Signs and symptoms of appendicitis may include sudden pain that begins on the right side of the lower abdomen, sudden pain that begins around your navel and often shifts to your lower right abdomen, pain that worsens if you cough, walk or make other jarring movements, nausea and vomiting, loss of appetite, low-grade fever that may worsen as the illness progresses, constipation or diarrhea, abdominal bloating, and flatulence. The site of your pain may vary depending on your age and the position of your appendix. When you're pregnant, the pain may seem to come from your upper abdomen because your appendix is higher during pregnancy. Here you can see some abdominal pain regions. For example, pain in the center and bottom of the chest may be related to peptic ulcer. Gallbladder pain region is in the right side of your body under the chest. Also, pains from the kidneys is felt in the sides or in the middle to upper back. The pain may also progress to other areas, such as abdomen. As you see, the appendicitis pain is felt in lower right abdomen. So the essential question is, when to see a doctor? Make an appointment with a doctor if you or your child has worrisome signs or symptoms. Severe abdominal pain requires immediate medical attention. Causes: a blockage in the lining of the appendix that results in infection is the likely cause of appendicitis. The bacteria multiply rapidly, causing the appendix to become inflamed, swollen, and filled with pus. If not treated promptly, the appendix can rupture. Preventions. There is no proven way to prevent appendicitis. Eating a high-fiber diet with lots of whole grains and fresh fruits and vegetables may help, although experts can't explain why. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.